Sneezing is a natural mechanism of our body to eliminate any irritants in our throat or nose. Here are some common remedies for sneezing. Identify the cause of your sneezing so that you can treat it accordingly. Common triggers include dust, pollen, mold, pet dander, bright lights, perfume, spicy foods, black pepper, and common cold viruses. If your sneezing is caused by an allergy, a daily over-the-counter (OTC) anti-allergy pill or intranasal spray may be enough to control your symptoms. People in some occupations are more likely than others to encounter airborne irritants. Always wear protective gear such as a mask or respirator when working around inhalable dust. Some home remedies for sneezing include drinking lots of water, flushing allergens from the nose with saline solution, using an air purifier to remove allergens from indoor spaces, and taking supplements like vitamin C, probiotics, and turmeric. Change the furnace or air conditioner filters. Do not have pets in the house if allergic to animal dander. Wash linens in very hot water, at least 130 degrees Fahrenheit, to kill dust mites. Please note that these remedies may help ease the symptoms, but if your sneezing is continuous, causes severe ear, drowsiness, or does not resolve in a few days, you should see a doctor immediately.